I've dedicated part of my career to research how drones could solve environmental challenges from above. I'm pioneering UAV autonomy and remote sensing technologies. My first breakthrough came when I combined ground data with aerial imagery to detect phylloxera infestations in vineyards before they became visible to the human eye. Working with the Sunshine Coast Council, we proved that drones paired with AI could revolutionize how we map and monitor plant species in coastal environments. But I knew we could do more. Invasive plants cost Queensland millions annually, threatening native ecosystems and damaging infrastructure. Current mapping methods lack the detail needed for effective management. With an Advanced Queensland grant, we're deploying drones with advanced cameras to capture high-resolution imagery, then using AI and GIS technology to create precise maps showing exactly where invasive species are spreading. These detailed maps empower environmental managers to assess vast areas quickly, allocate resources efficiently, and protect Queensland's unique ecosystems for future generations. And this is just the beginning.